A lot of people ask me which add-on they should buy for a hot surface workflow. Most of them are students, and I understand that not everyone can afford to purchase every tool available. So I decided to create a detailed guide to help you to choose the right add-ons without wasting money. I've split this into 3 clear packages: student, professional, and elite, along with their pricing. So you know exactly how much each setup costs. This way, you can pick what fits your budget and your goals. By the way, don't skip ahead just to see the tool's name. I'm not just throwing add-ons at you. I'll explain the pros and cons of each packages, and more importantly, how to combine them for a smooth, flawless workflow. So make sure to follow along with me step by step. Alright, the first package is for students. So I'm keeping the price really compressed, like literally anyone can afford this. So all you need is just 2 tools, box cutter and machine tool. Price wise, box cutter costs $19 and machine tool is just $2. But that only gives you a 1 year of free update. So if you want lifetime free updates, you need to grab the Prime version, which costs $8. So in total, the amount you're going to spend for modeling is $21. That's it. That's all you need. With just these 2 tools, you can literally work like a pro. Box cutter helps you to perform instant booleans to get any shape you want. You can bevel the cutter, adjust the extrusion, add arrays, apply solidify, and a lot more. All of this massively speed up your workflow. Coming to machine tool, this is where things get really powerful. You can mirror your changes just like Addons by simply enabling the mirror tool. You can mirror geometry, mirror edits, and even assign your own custom key. For example, I use Alt+X. On top of that, you can run smart apply. Again, similar to Addons. Just enable the tools by. Press Q and you can apply all the booleans in single click. Not only that, you'll get a clean pie menu to switch between different modes, setting up your camera easily and handle a lot of command tasks faster. Honestly, for modeling alone, these 2 tools feels more than enough. This is exactly what I've been using in my past. Now, I'm talking strictly about modeling. If your goal is only to build models, this setup is all you need. But if you want to move into texturing and presentation, then you'll need few more additional tools. For that, I highly recommend the Matrix add-on. It gives you full control over texturing in just a few clicks. No UV and wrapping required. In about 5 to 10 minutes, you can finish a complete texturing pass that would normally take hours. This add-on costs $50. But if you use the code JACK20, you'll get 20% off. So with box cutter, machine tool, and Matrix, you can complete the entire workflow from modeling to rendering, and the total cost comes to around $61. We still have a few more additional add-ons to cover, but the good part is they are free. For setting up HDRIs, I use Easy HDRI. You just download the HDRIs, place them inside the add-on folder, and from there you can control everything inside the toolbar, switching HDRIs, adjusting nodes, and tweaking setting easily. Then we have the Import Image as Decal add-on. It works similar to Decal Machine, allow you to project any image as decal. And the best part is, it's completely free. The next is Power Save. Once this add-on installed, you'll see a power icon at the top left of Blender. When you enable Auto Save, Blender will automatically save your scene every 2 minutes to a temporary folder. So when Blender crashes, you don't have to punch your screen because you just lost hours of work. And lastly, we have GeoCable. This add-on lets you to create cables by simply selecting 2 points, and also get control over the cable thickness, curvature, and flow and a lot more, which makes it perfect for hot surface and sci-fi detailing. So these are my 7 essential add-ons. No limitations, full control. With just $61, your workflow transforms into a professional level pipeline, from modeling to presentation. Next is the professional package. This one is for artists who are ready to invest a bit more to work faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Just like the student package, all the core add-ons remains the same. But here, we add 2 powerful tools that significantly upgrade your workflow. First is Addons. One limitation of the student package is the bevel control. Yes, you can add bevel through modifiers, but every time when you run a boolean, you have to manage your modifier order, or else you get bad shading. Over time, that becomes annoying and slowing your work. Addons will solve this. It gives you instant bevel control, clean boolean management, and one of my favorite features is the keep shop, which maintains a clean shading automatically. This alone saves a massive amount of time. Next is decal machine. This is a heavy tool, but extremely powerful. Think of it like a system rather than a single add-on. Once installed, you can keep expanding it by adding decal packs with virtually no limitation. Decal machine is what takes a model from good to production level, adding realism, storytelling, and fine surface detail without damaging your base geometry. Price-wise, the professional package comes to around $134, and this includes all the add-ons from student package as well. This is a major upgrade to your hot surface workflow, and honestly, for most professionals, this is more than enough. Finally, we have the Elite package. At this point, most of you have already decided which package fits you best. But for those who still feel limited, this is where the Elite comes in. Everything from the professional package stay exactly the same. On top of that, we add a few more advanced tools that remove the friction completely and let you focus almost entirely on the creativity. First, Machine Tool Mush Machine. This add-on introduces features that makes complex geometry much easier to manage. Tools like Unfuck, which automatically fix broken edges or messy geometry, and Offset Cut, which allows you to add bevels even in the tight areas, where normal workflow impossible to do that. Overall, it gives you a far more control over your geometry, especially in advanced hot surface workflow. The price of this add-on is $45. Next, Cableator or Cableator, whatever. This is essentially an upgrade version of GeoCable. GeoCable can already handle the most cable works, but this one is pretty much advanced. If you want a more control over your cables, behavior like thickness and flow, Cableator is the best choice. And the cost of this add-on is $19. Now, the final choice. And this one is very important. Here, you don't need both. You can just pick one. The first option is Fluent. This is one of my personal favorite tools. It almost feels like box cutter and hot ops are combined. You get a powerful boolean operation, quick bevel, and additional features like instant bolts and screws all in one place. Price-wise, it's under $30, which is very reasonable for what it's offers. You might ask, why isn't Fluent included in the professional package? The reason is simple. Right now, Fluent has limited tutorials, and for someone like me who have fully mastered box cutter, the workflow can be a bit confusing at first. That said, I'm actively testing it, and over time you're likely to see more tutorials from me if interested. The alternative option is KitOps Pro. This allows you to add bolts, screws, and mechanical elements, but with a different workflow and structure. Price-wise, there is no big difference between Fluent and KitOps. Both have their strengths and weaknesses. So here, you simply pick the one that fits your brain and your workflow. In total, the Elite packs comes around $218. At this level, the tools handle almost all the heavy lifting. You stop fighting with geometry and start focusing on purely design, creativity, and speed. But here's the best part. You can create stunning professional level design with any of this package because every package already gives you what truly matters. Tools for modeling, texturing, and rendering. There is no other setup that matches the balance of pricing and capability. And this list isn't something that I pulled from internet or asked ChatGPT to compile me and build this kind of a list. It's built from my 3 years of real hands-on experience. So no matter which package you choose, you are making a solid investment. Pick the one that aligns with your current goal and budget. All the add-on links in the description, so you don't have to search for them one by one. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep pushing your skill forward and have a great day.